Okay, so just come out of watching Birds of Prey. Good film. Good film. Fight choreography, awesome. Storyline was good. But didn't need the voiceover. Really didn't need the voiceover. And they killed a lot of the story for me. Because it's a visual medium, you don't need to actually spell it out. Also, Barracuda should be banned from being used on soundtracks as a reference point for girl power, because now it's groan inducing. But apart from that, the real title should have been called The Fantabulous Emancipation of Harley Quinn, with the side note of Birds of Prey, because there wasn't much Birds of Prey. But yeah, probably don't need to go to the movies for this one. 3 spots.